Hello guys, good evening. My name is David Chuka David, and you might all know me. I all share up to date business information on how you can make money on the internet. Now I want to quickly share with us a money making opportunity I just found, and I've been working on it to make money, and I am really making money. It's called pay to click. Most of you will say, pay to click, does it really pay? Yes, this one pays, and I'm going to show you proofs that it pays. These are the top earners. If you look at this dashboard here, you will see the top earners. Somebody earned $10, 2 cents, $9, $7, and this was not when I made this video in the morning. Although the video was not good, this was not the top earners. This is the top earners in the last 48 hours. This is total cash out is $1 yesterday, $1, $2, $1, $1. So there is no limit to how much you can cash out. You can cash out $1, you can cash out $2, you can cash out $10, you can cash out as much as you can on a daily basis. It's not wait and take stuff. As you are getting, you are cashing out. So I'm going to dive straight into how this works. It's a simple stuff. Click on ads and you make your money, and you are done. On a daily basis, they will give you a series of ads to click, and when you click on it, you are done. All right. So let's go straight into it. The name of the website is called ptcshare.com. ptcshare.com, and PTC shares just pay you for clicking on ads. Right? They just pay you money for clicking on ads, nothing else. All you just need to do is check on ads and click. There are 3 ways to make money from this stuff. 3 ways to make money from this. The first way is to click on ads. The second way is to complete offers, and the third way is I will show us later at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to this video to the end of this video so I can show us what to really do to make money. So I'm using my phone to do this recording. At this time, I'm using my phone to do this recording. So when you come here, you see these 3 lines here with blue stuff here, where you see before the PTC share. Just click on it, and when you click on it, to bring out all these signs, and you see sign up, just click on sign up, and it will take you to where you will sign up straight away. And when you click on sign up, the next thing is to bring you to a place where it will ask you to put your information. Okay, hold on. I think it will ask you for a place where you put your. Okay, I scroll down and I clicked on register now. Register now. So it brings us here. So let's click down. Let's scroll down and look for register. Register now and click. Now, so when we click on register now, I've already registered on this stuff. So, it's asking me to sign up. So all you just need to do, because I'm not going to register this thing twice, you just click on your username, click on your password, right? And you are done. Password, repeat your password, put your email address. Please make sure you put the email address of the one you want to use, and you are done, and you start your work. So straight up, let's show you how it's done. Let me go back to my account so I can show you how it is done. All right. So where do I log in? Okay. Come here, log in here. Okay, I log in here. So let me just go straight in and show you how it works. And with my account here now. All right, I'm already in. So okay, my captcha is not done. So I put in my captcha. Okay, and then I sign in. So when you sign in, you bring up to different. Okay, they would ask you, bring all these stuff to you and ask you to do one thing or the other. Just if you want, you can read it, or if not, just click on skip. And when you click skip, right, click skip, you just start working, right? So you just start working. And how do you work? All right, how do you work? The next thing you do is you come here and come to the top here. You will see different things here. You see N 30, you see cash on stocks, you see cash offers, you see other stuffs will be here, cash offers, campaign, and all this. For now, you are just clicking on N, right? And when it brings N, I told you the first one is view ads, the second one is click grid. But I'm going to show you how to do click view ads for now. All right, so we click on view ads, and it takes us to where we're going to view our ads, and where we're going to view our ads and start. All right, so when it brings you here, it shows all these other ones, your award, your reward, understand, log in 2 days in a row. It shows your statistics and stuff like that. Paid ads, so all this one, paid ads require consume bonus ads, understand. All these ones are just trying to tell you what to do. Make sure you read them. You are running low on bonus ad points. Earn for free by viewing up to 8 activation ads daily, each of which the ad is 5 BP to your account. Alternatively, purchase an ad campaign with us, an ad click, and you will get 100 visitors to your website banner impression. That is if you are buying ads for them. They will deliver $1 worth of ads to your account ASP. That is if you are buying from them, if you are buying the ad. All right, so this one now, when you come here, you now say, okay, I want to click on this ad, I want to take an offer, maybe an offer like a survey or stuff like that. You just come here, they pay 0.005 cents per ad. You will say 0.005 cents per ad. This does not take anything to make money, to do these things. You just have to work to make this thing happen. You understand? It's just as simple as clicking ads and making the money. All right, so let's click on one of them and say view ads. So when we view ads, we just start. All right, when we view ads, we just start and we start making our money. So there are two things to do. When you come here, there are just two things to do. The first thing they will tell you is to click on, okay, they will show you the ads. I don't know why it's not loading. They will show you the, okay, it's still trying to load. They will show you the ads. They will now ask you to click on sunglass. They will tell you what to click on. You click on it, like sunglasses. Well, we click on it, and then we click confirm. So immediately we click confirm, it will roll. In 5 seconds, you have watched the ad, and you move on. You click next ad, and that is it. So the second way to make money from this is, the second way to make money from this is to have what is called the second way to make money is to go to what they call grid, to go to grid. Now when you go to the grid part, what it will ask you to do is simple, right? Very simple. It will ask you to okay, when you click on N, like this is my total balance. If you can see my balance, how much ads I've watched over time, you can see out of 40 ads I've watched 15, I've watched 19 or so. So you now come here. What you do now is to come and click on N. Then when you click on N, click on click grid. Now click grid will bring you on a different type of ad, and then it will show you different ball like this and ask you to click. Now whatever you click can give you maybe $10, $1, and the rest. So all you just need to do is click on any of those boxes. It brings you here, and then you click on whatever I said. Click on map. You click on map, and we click confirm, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's how to make money from this. It's very easy. The third one is to refer. there's something that I noticed that people are afraid to refer. People are afraid of referrals. I'm going to show us that it's very easy to refer people and earn money if you know. On the next lecture, I'm going to teach us how to earn money by referrals. All right. So you make money by doing referrals and also helping people to understand why they are doing referrals. There are some businesses I will show us on how to start referring people and earning money, so you will not be stuck. All right, so let's go back. Thank you for watching. God bless you.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I want to make this video to show you this tool that I have just found to build a landing page and to also get people's email. Let me tell you, without getting people's email, you will not be able to do your information marketing or online course very, very well. You will not be able to make as much money as you want to make. Some people who want to make as much as 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 1 million in a week or 2 weeks or a month, understand, depending on how you market. So this is a platform where you can start making money and building your own business. So the first thing you will see here is that they give you access to this platform for starting for just $1. And I tell you, this is the best platform I've ever come across. Now the thing there is, after this $1, you get to buy for $69.90. Now let me now tell you something. You will say, $69.90, $69.90 is $90 is very expensive. But let me tell you, it is not expensive. It is very, very cheap. Because why? After you have made your money, let's just say in a week, you are with your free and paid seminar, you are making, let's say 50,000, right? I'm using Nigerian currency because I'm in Nigeria right now. I'm making 50,000 naira. Now that 50,000 naira, you made it twice. That is 100,000. And if you say, let's calculate how much it is. Let me see from my calculator. You calculate 69.60. Let me open my calculator quickly. 69.90 times. Okay, in our place now we have it 19390. That is 7,261. Now, to invest into something that will be a blessing to your life and will make you more money, because this is a money making machine. Without this, you can make as much as you want, because people will always come to your funnel and say they want to do this and they have the best. Alright, for you to continue, you just have to click here, take your business to the next level. Then when you click take your business to the next level, it will bring you to a place where you will sign up. Right? So you sign up, add your details, and boom, you are done. So you sign up here, you add your DP, you add your information, you click continue. Like let's say I say maybe Chuka, right? Alright, so let's come here. I've done this before, so I just want to show you how to do it.